Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video with a new unboxing of this box. So yes, in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the recently launched Apple Watch 6. This is there with me now, and this is the box as you can see, and this is the 6th generation Apple Watch. It's 40 size, not the 44 one, and I'm going to do the unboxing of this product, and let's see what we are getting in the Apple Watch Series 6. Before starting with the unboxing, let me give you the background. Like, definitely this is not a purchased unit. I have not purchased, and definitely I'm not going to purchase this product because this is so expensive. And this I got from the Apple authorized sellers in India. It's been a long time. I was discussing with them, like I have discussed with multiple brands to give us a unit for at least to have a hands-on kind of thing, and we'll just check how means what is there in this Apple Watch Series 6 and why these products are so expensive and how is the performance. And before to this, I have never used any Apple Watch because my first Apple product was iPad mini, and that's been a long time, and this is the first Apple Watch I'm getting, and I'm going to do the unboxing. And yes, as it's a review unit, so definitely it's going back to them, and it will be there with me for 2 to 3 weeks. So I'll try to make a couple of videos and share my experience of this Apple Watch Series 6. So let's get started with the unboxing, and let's open this box. So guys, let's start with the unboxing of this product. As you can see, it's written here as Apple Series 6. This is the Series 6, and this is the black color edition and 40 as you can see. And you will get this kind of box, and you have to open like this. So it will be like this. You have to open, and this will go like this. And if you'll see, there are two packets over here. One is for the watch and the charger, and another one is for your band. Yeah, this is for the band. So we'll open it later, but let's start with this one first. If you'll see, this is the Apple Watch box, and let me just keep it like this, and we'll open it and let's see what we are getting inside. Okay, so this is the note, as usual, Apple product designed by Apple in California, and this is the watch. Okay, let me just pull it out. This is, yeah, this is kind of this is having some weight, and yeah, if you'll wear this, definitely you'll feel the weight in your hand. Okay, we'll keep it aside. Definitely we'll get back to it later. Let me keep it here. Inside the box, if you open this one, you are getting the charger. Like, this is the kind of your magnet charger, and there are no chargers, like no power adapters there in the box, so you have to get it outside. I have a couple of, and I'll use that one, so no problem. So this is how the charger looks like, and let me open this one. It will open like this, and you have to pull it out, and this is the charger. It will fit in the Apple Watch like this, and it will charge in the, this is the normal regular USB A type, so you can put it in any of your charger or power bank or something, and it will charge it. Now let's see, we'll get back to this watch later with all the setup and all, and for the timing, we'll have a look at the straps. Let me open this one. Okay, this is the Apple Watch strap you are getting, and this is how the box looks like. And this is a bigger one. This is for medium to large, and this is for small to medium. I think this is what it means, ML and SM. So we'll open this one and we'll try to put it in our we'll try to set it up the Apple Watch this with the straps. Let me, for the timing, let me use this bigger one and let's see how it fits. Okay, we'll keep all this thing aside and let's start with the Apple Watch. So this is how it comes. This is a small packaging, and if you'll see, there are not much of a plastic we are getting in the box, and this is the new drama started from Apple. So yeah, that is good. Like we are thinking of for the environment, and it will open like this. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's a tiny one, the 40 mm, not the bigger one. Okay, let me put the straps first and then we'll try to configure. This strap will go like this, so you have to slide it up like this. You have to just slide it out, and yeah, and this is how it will go. Yeah, done. So now it's ready, and let's try to configure this one. Let me get my iPhone. So this is my iPhone 11 Pro, and you can see it's already started. Like, it detected that the Apple Watch is there, so we can start configuring it. I think I have put it like the reverse one. Let me just change the strap, and this is how it will be changed. You have to push this button and the strap will come out. This will go here and this will go this side. Done. So now, yes, it's now ready. So let's start pairing up. So hopefully it will detect that one. Yeah, and it will continue here, and it will ask set up your watch. Set up for myself, and it will show this code. I have to scan it. That's done. So it will take some time to set up the Apple Watch. That's it for this quick unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 6, which you have just seen, and it's still being activating. All this thing will take time. So for the timing, we can close this video here and we can stop this video here, and I'll try to make a couple of videos as this product is there with me for next couple of weeks. Definitely I'll try to make a couple of videos and I'll tell you my experience. For that, you can subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.